Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. We are going to do things a little bit differently. Usually I just go out and videotape and then make comments at the end. So what we're going to do from now on is try to start in the beginning, try to start in the house here and kind of explain to you where we're going and what we're going to be doing. Went out to Palm Desert Civic Center Park today. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd or 24th. Can't quite remember. And we did a little walking around the park, show you some of the park that some other part that we didn't do a couple weeks ago when we did a walk. We just did San Pablo Avenue. Today we did a little bit of the inside of the park to show you what one part of it looks like, and was able to do this time to zero in on the map to give you kind of an idea of how big the place is. But today what we did was we did some slow motion, and I wanted to do both water features that they have at the park, and they have these small waterfalls and a larger fountain in the middle. So I wanted to show some of that on this video, and then also show some people walking in slow motion, which kind of looks good. So I wanted to try some of that to see what that's going to do. Because eventually I like to see if we can, this is June, so I want to see if we can make it out to the beach. I live it's about a 3-hour drive from the beach, but I like to see if we can get some slow motion at the beach. I want to do the waves. Don't have a drone or anything to fly out there, but still want to see if we can do some slow motion out at the beach. I think that would be really good. So today's the first day of me just talking to the camera inside the house before we take off. So maybe this is start of something we're going to try here. Got it set up. I've actually gone out and did the video already because I wanted to go out early this morning, because I think it was like almost 100 at 8 o'clock or 8:15. And the camera conks out on me after a while, so want to get that done. So hope you enjoy the videos. We're going to do one today, the slow motion of the water fountains, and tomorrow I'll put one together about the people that I did in slow motion. Give us kind of an idea of what it's like doing it that way. So I'll probably do an intro to that video also tomorrow, but just wanted to let you know today this is the one that we're doing. So let me know how I'm doing. Obviously I'm a senior citizen, so I'm kind of new to this, so but I do take constructive criticism, so let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you like, and we'll try to do some different things. We want to get back into traveling overseas. I've done quite a bit of that, about 100,000 miles, 15, 20 different countries. Not as much as a lot of people. But I want to see if we can get back to that, and I'll be recording then maybe next year. I'll try to do that. I like to go with my grandson, but we'll see what happens. So this is the first day. Mark it on your calendars that this is what we did today. So let's see if we can keep this going. Try to get out 2 or 3 times a week and see if we can record different videos and things. June, July, and August, where I live, it can get up to 125. So you have to go out pretty early in the morning. So let's go ahead and do that. So for right now, I'll lead us into the video. I think at the beginning it'll show you a diagram of the park, and then from there we'll go right into the slow-mo water features. So enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Goodbye. This one under key park facilities is washed out, so I don't know if it'll show on the camera. But here is Palm Desert Civic Center Park. Kind of tells you what's going on. I'll just point as well. Like it says, we are here. We're right there. So you can see the park's pretty big. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stop it here. See if I can do some slow motion. My camera's starting to give me some problems here. It's already hot. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. I think it's 100 already. So we'll come back to this a little bit later. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Put it down in the comments below. And we'll spend a little bit more time out here. We'll see if we can do some slow motion. So that's all for today.